Adoma, welcome back to my channel, guys. Before I start working on the Toyota, please help me subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification so every time I have a new video you guys will be updated. But I'm working on a 2012 Toyota Yaris. So right now this car, my co-worker diagged it. He checked everything out. He has a problem with the clock spring, so he checked the fuse, the relay, and the horn manually. So he checked everything manually, so everything works. And then press on the horn here on the steering wheel, it doesn't work. If I press the key alarm, the horn is working. See that? There you go. But from the clock spring down to the horn, from here going straight out to the horn, it doesn't work at all. So I'm going to show you how to replace the clock spring here, and I'm going to show you the part number for this. Totally two different clock springs. So 2012 Toyota LE right there, airbag clock spring. I'm going to show you the price. So right now the one I order is with cruise control, you see that, and one that says without cruise control. They're all OEM, So this one right here, this is OEM right here. You can see it says 470/20 right there, 470/20. This is the one with the cruise control. So this is the one that I took out of the car right here, the old one. If you're gonna buy it, your price list is gonna be $625. I bought it my price, $265. So there you go. This is the part number with cruise control, part number without cruise control. First thing first, before you work on any kind of airbag, go out there, disconnect your negative terminal on the battery, and then for the airbag here, there's a hole on the side, and let me see if I can show you guys. It's kind of hard, but let me see. Oh, there you go. You can see it right there. Let me zoom in. Right there is the spring. Right there, the kind of like right there. You can see that little pin right there. You're gonna use a flathead screwdriver. Feel for it. Press on it. The pin that was like pointing down like this. So you're gonna push on it, and then it'll pop out the airbag on this side. So there's one here, one on the other side, and one down here. So let me take it out first, and then I'm gonna show you a better view. Show you if I press on it correctly. You see that? Pops out. On this side, I'll pry out the little cover on this side. Let me show you the pin inside there. There you go. You see that one right there, that little one. So I'm gonna try to use my flathead. I'm gonna try to push the pin so you can see it pops. So I'm gonna push the pin. There you go. Steering wheel, I turn it slightly a bit so I can get some room. So I'm gonna try to feel for the pin here. Feel for the pin. There you go. There you go. Popped out. There you go. Let me show you the pin. You can see the pin right here. So when you shove your flathead up, touch this pin right here, and on the side, the two side right here, you can see the two side right there. Feel for the pin right there. So that's what you're gonna be pushing. You push it, and then it'll unlock the airbag, and it'll pop out. And then for this one, unsnap the lock, push it up, unsnap it. There you go. That's my horn wire. So press on this little tab right here, this little lock. There you go. Came out. The clock spring here. Connector. Press and pull. Press and pull. And then before you take out the steering wheel, I'm gonna turn the steering wheel back straight. So this is straight center. And then I'm gonna mark the bolt with whiteout to the stud, so that way I don't want to over tighten it. So I marked the nut with the steering wheel stud with the whiteout. This is a 19 millimeter. There you go. And then I'm gonna mark it again. I'm gonna mark the steering wheel to the stud, so that way when I put the steering wheel back, I know it's straight aligned. If you don't mark it and you put it back, you might be off of the alignment when you driving. It'll be off. I made another mark with the whiteout. I marked the bottom, the column with the steering wheel right here, so I know it's straight aligned when I put it back. So I'm just putting the nut back, and then if the steering wheel is really tight, I just hit the steering wheel like all around, kind of give it like a couple yank, and then comes out. There you go. There you go. Now I can take out my 2 Phillips, maybe 3 if there's a third one on the bottom. So this one's just 2 separated. This is the clock spring or the connector. Press on the tab right here, pull. There's a tab on the bottom here. Pull it back and pull, and then unhook it. There's another one right here. Unhook it, and another one right here. There you go. White connector right here. Got my old clock spring out, and if you guys wondering, the steering wheel angle sensor, which is this inside part right here, I believe this is the part number right here. This one's my new one. It's exactly the same. This is the part number right there, 84307-47020. This is OEM. Everything is exactly the same. You can see everything is exactly the same. Even the steering wheel angle sensor number also the same right there. They have 2 different kinds for the clock spring. This one is equipped with the cruise control. Now, how do I know if it's equipped with the cruise control? If you look at the steering wheel behind here, there's a stick. This is for the cruise control right here. So you can press on the button to set the cruise control. So this one is the part number for the clock spring that equipped with the cruise control. And then I'll show you another part without the cruise control, different part number. Put in my new one, snap it in, there you go, snap it in, there you go, snap the top in. Don't remove this yet, so I'm gonna put all the 3 connectors in. There you go, there's one, my yellow one. Go, clicks. Make sure you guys check out the connector here too. Make sure it's not broken or damaged. Check all the connector wires. Make sure you guys check the pin in here. Make sure it's not damaged or corroded. If it's good, put it back. Yep, I got the cover back on already. I'm gonna break the lock. I'm gonna feed the wire through. There you go. And then I'm gonna line up the white mark, my white mark with the bottom mark that I made right there. So that way I know it's aligned. There you go, just like that. It's straight. There you go, you can see it's straight. And then I'm gonna put the nut, steering wheel nut, and then I'm gonna tighten it down to the top mark where I made it. I don't want to over tighten it. There you go. A little bit more. A little bit more. Slightly a little bit more. Oh, a little bit over. A little bit less. There you go. That's good enough. Should be okay. I'm gonna plug in my connector. Plug in my other connector. And then for the airbag, and I'm not sure if you guys want the part number, but I'll show you the part number. I'm not sure if it's this or this. That's the part number. And then I'm gonna put back the connector, orange to orange, black to black, and then my horn wire right here. Airbag connector in already, orange to orange, all the way down, push it all the way down, lock it, black to black, push it all the way down, lock it. Check out my horn wire right here. Horn wire is good, no broken from here to here, it's good. I'm gonna put this back. Oh, I gotta have it line. There you go. That's good. I'm gonna go reconnect my negative terminal on the battery and check everything again. I plugged back my negative terminal already. Now, there you go. You guys can see it works now. So I'm gonna check out everything again. I'm gonna turn on the car. Make sure everything's working. All the signal. I can see the signal outside is flashing. And then this side works too. High beam. There you go. I can see the light flashing out there. Headlight, yes, it's working. Turn it off. The wiper, everything worked. There you go. Turn the steering wheel. So this is center, okay? So fully turning left. There you go. This is left. Back to the center. Fully to the right. Yes, there you go. Back to the center. Horn is working. Check out the alarm again. Press on this. Yes, it's working. There you go. So that's it. I'm gonna take it out for a test drive. So if you guys take it out for a test drive and you're driving it, the steering wheel is straight and it's kind of like tilting, like going either one direction. So that's meaning you have it kind of like misaligned a little bit. So realign it to the white mark that you made. But that's it for this video, guys. Just a horn for the clock spring. But that is it. So if you guys new to my channel, please help me subscribe. If you guys have any question, comment down below. Ask me anything you want to ask me. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. But I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out. Peace.